Hey folks and fellow Hot Wheels collectors, this is Blue Rain 74. Just got this in the mail today. Just came home on a short lunch break, and so I figured I had to open it up and take a look at it. I just hit it with my knife, and just to hide my address, I guess. That's that way. So this is the first I've seen or done anything with this box. And here's our Datsun 510. And there she is. Wow. Wow. Wow and wow. Considering all the frustration in the ordering process on this, I am still very happy. And this is moments after buying my Corvette that went on sale at noon today. I got to get this out of the bag. There we go. That pink. Very cool. Very pleased. There's the back of it. And well, I got close. Number 4409 of 5,000. So that was just towards the end of the availability, the way I figured it. But there she is. Enjoy.